There are many engines on the island of Sodor, and they all are really useful. Do you know them all? Select a name by using the up or down button on your controller. Press the enter button when you've found the correct name. Nice job! I'm Henry, the number 3 green engine. You're right. I'm Thomas, and I'm a really useful engine. Nice job. More trains would like your help. You've done a great job. I'm Gordon, and I'm the fastest engine on the island. Wow, you're great. I'm Percy, and I'm very pleased to know you. Wonderful. I am James, and I'm a splendid engine.